You sure packed away a lot of junk food there.
Yeah, I know. That really hits the spot. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry, everybody. You know, eat. Food. Are you hungry? Haha, good one. All right, here's some cookies. Hey, you ate it all. No, baby T.
Man, I had no clue old Aunt wanted a chili dog that bad.
I don't believe it. Actually, I do believe it. I cannot believe that you would jeopardize our mission for a stupid chili dog.
A chili dog? Moi? Oops.
Don't tell me.
Yuck! How can you eat those things?
Fast, like I do everything. Yeah!
Oh, please. Grossing me out.
I guess you're right. That's impossible.
Oh, come on. Oh, that's awful. What did you eat?
I think it's called a chili dog.
You might want to check your fur on that one, buddy.
I went up to your room last night to bring you some new comics, and, Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop right there. I wouldn't come any closer because this little hedgehog had way too many chili dogs. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm so embarrassed. Get out of here, quick. Oh, no. Here comes another one. Go. Now. Save yourself. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop right there. I wouldn't come any closer because this little hedgehog had way too many chili dogs. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm so embarrassed. Get out of here.
Ugh, I knew I should have used real farts.
How's the food?
Delectable. This soup. I've never seen balls so plump and swollen with flavor.
Yo, your friend is wild.